Introduce highlight features or overview summary of ATOMSTACK D5 Smoke Purifier. There are features include 99.5% high-efficiency purification, featuring a professional-grade 3-layer modular filtration system, pre-filter, middle, and activated carbon. The D5 achieves a 99.5% purification rate for particles as small as 0.3 microns. It effectively neutralizes harmful substances such as PM2.5, formaldehyde, and VOC, ensuring only clean air is discharged back into your workspace. Strong 1400 PA suction and 3-speed control, powered by a high-velocity 7500 RPM motor, this purifier generates a robust 1400 PA negative pressure to capture fumes and odors instantly. Users can easily toggle between 3 adjustable wind speeds, ranging from 2.9 m per second to a maximum of 6.8 m per second, to match the intensity of their specific desktop task. Tailored for laser and DIY projects, specially developed as the perfect companion for the ATOMSTACK P1, 5-watt laser system, the D5 allows you to work safely in garages, basements, or workshops. It breaks through workspace restrictions by eliminating the need for complex external venting systems, making it ideal for various desktop DIY and hobbyist tools. Ultra-compact and whisper-quiet operation, weighing only 1.1 kg with a compact footprint of 130 x 130 x 208 mm, the D5 is highly portable and fits perfectly on crowded workbenches. Its advanced design ensures a quiet working environment with noise levels remaining below 65 decibels, allowing you to stay focused on your creative precision work. Long life filter and maintenance-free design. A single high-efficiency cartridge supports up to 200 hours of continuous operation, providing months of reliable protection. The innovative quick-release design enables tool-free filter replacement in just 1 minute, and the package includes 5 extra pre-filter cottons to further extend the life of your main filter. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.